Okay, so this is a tutorial that I was asked to show how I did it. Um, you know how you make those designer purse treat bags. Well, so I'm making some for a baby shower, and I wanted the inside to look like this this Coach logo. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So I opened up my Cricut design, which is on my other screen. One second. Okay, so here we go. I opened up my Cricut design, and I uploaded the box. Okay, so this is the size box that I have. I'm just gonna downsize it so you guys can see how I do what I'm about to do. To make the inside of your treat box look like a design pattern. Okay, so then I took this. I currently don't have my scoring tool just yet, so I took this and I just made it. Well, first what I did was I ungrouped it, and then I took out this basic cut and I just deleted it because, like I said, I don't have my scoring tool just yet. So, but I know where to fold. And so then I highlighted this. I went to contour down in the corner, and I just unchecked all these lines because I don't need them because I know where I'm going to fold the box at, the flaps for the box. And I believe this is the top of the box. It's either the top or the bottom. I believe it's the might be the bottom. And so then I just take those lines out. And then I'm going to change my color to this color. Okay, so there I have the box. And so then I'm going to upload the image. But what I did first was I went to Canva and I uploaded the picture and I removed the background to make it easier to do what I'm about to show you. Okay, so I'm going to upload my image with the removed background. And it's huge, so you're just gonna uncheck this, and then you're just gonna downsize it so you can fix all that. Doesn't matter what you put in, you're just trying to be able to get to the to be able to downsize it so you can do what I'm about to show you. So when you upload this picture, it's going to be huge, and it's going to be it's going to automatically be in print and cut format. But I'm going to show you what to do with that to make the inside of your box a real looking Coach pattern. So you're going to change that. You're going to change this print and cut, and you're going to change it to basic. And then it's already another color because what I'm about to do, when you slice, you can only slice on 2 layers. It can't be more than 1 layer. That's the reason why I took that other cut out of the box. So I'm gonna select all, and then I'm just gonna slice, and then I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to delete that. This is the inside of your box, and it's going to look just like it's going to have a Coach pattern. So you're going to do the other box. This box comes in 2 pieces, so you're going to do the other box, the other part of the box the same way. So, but here's how you do. You know how you want to reinforce the picture. You want to reinforce the front of your goodie bag. So we're gonna turn this off for right now. We're gonna just close that eyeball. We're gonna upload the purse. I'm using this one. Add the canvas. Okay, so then I'm going to one second, so I can see what I'm doing. So I can show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna downsize this. This is just for tutorial purposes. And so I'm gonna duplicate this like so, and then I'm just gonna turn off the other one. Okay, so of course this came in the print cut format already. So what we're gonna do is gonna change it to basic, and we're gonna change the color to this color, and we're gonna do the same thing we did before, which I have to redo it because I deleted the template. So we're gonna size it up again. Just gonna size it up again so you can see. Okay, that's still too big. So let's go on here. Let me make this big so you guys can see what's going on. I'm gonna click this, and we're gonna size it up to the purse, like so. Now for me, I'm not keeping well, I might keep the straps, I don't know, but I'm because I'm doing this for a baby shower. I may not keep the straps. I'm going to use It's a Girl ribbon that I found for the straps for the purse. Okay, so you're going to select all again, and you're just going to slice. Wait for it to finish. Then it's going to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one and delete this one. And so that is the print of the inside of the purse that you're going to put up against this. So this will be behind this when you're reinforcing it. And it's going to have, I have pictures. So it's going to have a nice little look to it, like the inside of an actual Coach purse. And so you could pretty much choose any design to do this. I just decided to choose that one, and I will post some pictures of how it came out. Thank you. Thank you for asking for how I did this. And let's see here. There it is. So thank you guys for I had to find my pause button. I couldn't find it. So thank you guys for listening. And if you want any more tutorials on how to do anything of the sort, just comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so when I post other videos, you'll get notification. And happy hunting. Happy crafting.